In this Smashwords review, I am going to be showing you if you guys can really make money by selling ebooks on this platform. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Smashwords is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So let's get started with Smashwords. So Smashwords is basically an ebook store. So you can come here to buy these ebooks of your choice, and you can also sell ebooks if you are an author or if you're someone who's looking to make money online. So this is personalized for these people, and you can find a lot of categories. So you can have ebooks on maybe adventure, maybe Christian, then coming of age, culture and ethnic themes, then you have LGBTQ plus, then you have religious or urban or western. So you have a lot of categories. So if you have an ebook, or if you're an author of, or if you're like planning to actually write an ebook to make money on this platform, then you can come here and upload your book. So the way it works is, for you guys to make money, all you have to do is scroll all the way down and you have to click on authors or publishers. So you can click here and you can basically become an author or a publisher, and then you can upload these ebooks to this website. So you can either become an author or you can become a publisher. So recently this company called Draft 2 Digital has bought Smashwords. So these two companies have become one, and you can see you have a community of almost 200,000 to almost 250,000 authors, and you have a lot of publisher around the world. And the cool thing about Smashword is that it is worldwide. So no matter where you're from, wherever you are, you can always choose to get into this website. No matter if you're from an Asian country, maybe in an American country, no matter where you are, you can come to this website. But I have done a little bit digging about Smashwords, and I have found a lot of red flags. I have found a lot of cons and pros as well, but the cons kind of outweighs the pros, because people are finding a lot of glitch in this app. So I have gone to a website called Trustpilot. So if you go here and I have typed in Smashwords, so all this website review, I have checked the review and they have only 21 reviews, which alone is low, and they only have a 2-star rating. So anything about 4-star review in Trustpilot, you can trust them. But for Smashwords, the it has only got 2-star. So when this company, as I told you, which was Draft 2 Digital, since this company has bought Smashwords, the ratings have been gone down pretty significantly. So if you look at the 1 stars, you can see a lot of bad reviews. So this person says just the worst when it comes to payment. So some people have been commenting about they are not receiving their payment. So that's a problem. Then you have other reviews that says, wish I would read these reviews first. Then you have tell me who your friends are. So some problem here. Then you have problems. You can apparently they are not paying their users, or there is some kind of glitch. So when people are actually trying to upload ebooks on their website, they are not actually getting past the requirement, because this website right over here has a very strict rules and regulations. So for your ebook to actually get published in this website as a small author is pretty tough. So if you're looking to make money by writing ebooks, it would be really hard, because the commission rate is pretty low. So when it goes to other publishers, so they have a lot of partners like iPhone ebook and all. So the general cut is 45 to 75%. So imagine you get 45 to 75% of the $4.99. It's pretty low. So most books are pretty low when it comes to the cost, and the minimum withdrawal is about $75, which is a lot of money. So making money is going to be pretty hard in this website. That's what many people say. And to actually get accepted for your book to be actually listed on this website is also pretty hard, because the rules and regulation of Smashwords is pretty tough, and their computer somehow rejects most of your books. So many people have been facing that issue. But overall, if you are an established author and if you're looking to get into Smashwords, I would definitely recommend Smashwords. But if you're a person who's just trying to make money online, or if you're not really interested in writing books or anything like that, I wouldn't really suggest this, because it is not legitimate, or it's not the right way to actually make money. This is for authors that has been already established as an author. But people who are starting as an author, who wants to start to become an author, I wouldn't really suggest this website, because it is really hard to pop up or be seen by people. So if you don't look at the money side, or if you're just passionate about writing books and you want other people to see it, then you can go ahead and list it. But if you look at the money making side of this, I don't think Smashwords is the best option. You have other alternatives like Amazon Kindle, which is way better than Smashwords. So that's basically it for this video. Overall, I think Smashword is an okayish website for established authors, but not for people who are looking to make money or small authors. So that's basically it for this video of Smashwords. By any chance, during this video, if you're looking to make big money online, maybe $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 per month. See, I have personally went from going from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, 100% free from your home. So if you want to access this free affiliate marketing guide, you can click the first link in the description. It's an absolutely free guide. You can get it by clicking the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.